As the largest private ear, nose, and throat practice in the entire state, Colorado Otolaryngology has led the way when it comes to providing the most advanced, state-of-the-art technology available to help people hear better, smell better, sleep better, and breathe better. Our distinguished team of nationally recognized physicians and surgeons were honored by the Medical Group Management Association as one of the best practices in the United States 2 out of the last 3 years.
We started Colorado Otolaryngology in 1996. 6 of the leading ear, nose, and throat doctors in Colorado Springs combined their practices. We've grown since then to a total of 8 physicians.
Otolaryngology deals with the medical and surgical treatments of head and neck problems, so ears, nose, throat, and everything in between.
Within our specialty, there are a number of subspecialties, such as pediatric otolaryngology. We have a pediatric otolaryngologist. There's otologic surgery, or surgery of the ears, which we cover. There's facial plastic surgery, there's head and neck oncology, there's facial trauma. We cover the entire breadth of our specialty.
Imagine living in Colorado and not being able to fully appreciate the sound of the wind blowing through the aspen trees or enjoy the wonderful scent of the lavender columbine. Colorado Otolaryngology helps improve your quality of life.
I've seen phenomenal improvement with my children in the area of hearing and just in general with their ear, nose, and throat issues. They had a lot of sinus problems before their tonsils and adenoids were removed, and since then that's been cut way down.
There's no question that the electronic medical record makes the patient's care much more transparent in the sense that another physician can look at the record, see what was found at the last visit, and if necessary, we have the ability to do that from home.
Our doctors are dedicated specialists in medical and surgical care for issues involving the head and neck, including complex inner ear issues with medical and surgical treatment for people of all ages.
Obviously, balance issues are not as common in children as they are in adults, but the few that we do see, we certainly will address. The most common thing that I actually see when it comes to balance is a pretty simple thing, such as ear infections are actually what's going to affect kids the most when it comes to balance.
And with a complete range of diagnostic audiology testing to identify hearing loss, balance disorders, and problems related to hearing, we also carry state-of-the-art hearing aids that incorporate the latest technology in audiology, including Bluetooth.
I couldn't hear anything out of the left ear unless someone was screaming in it practically. And now that I've had the stapia in, I'm using my cell phone to call my daughter and my son and my youngest daughter, and I'm crying on the phone going, I can hear, and they're going, good mom, good mom. They don't understand how hard it was not being able to hear and then being able to hear again. It's a wonderful, wonderful feeling.
We do share patients on a routine basis with the hospitals and with other physician groups. With the hospitals, we are connected in a variety of different manners. We're able to gather lab data, x-ray data, and we're even able to see the x-rays online in a very efficient manner.
Colorado Otolaryngology Associates was one of 3 sites across the United States involved in a cancer medication clinical trial. Cutting-edge therapy that had never been tried before.
Colorado Otolaryngology has 2 locations providing expert comprehensive care for all ENT, medical, and surgical issues.
In a city of our size, approximately 500,000, there's a large population with chronic ear disease that requires constant surveillance and intermittent surgical intervention, as well as a certain amount of people that have hearing loss that is not amenable to hearing aids, but that requires surgical repair. And that's very successful in correcting the hearing loss most of the time.
We have a good staff here. We have employees that have been with us for 28 years. Most of our employees have been here for 5 years or longer. A loyal staff, hardworking, professional, and we take pride in getting to know our patients, and our patients can feel comfortable that they will see a familiar face when they come to see us.
Enhancing your Rocky Mountain High, Colorado Otolaryngology.